to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Here's a quick video if you're having problems with your review camera. I just installed this review camera on my 2015 Chevy Silverado, and I installed a new head unit in it. It's an Android. Now I'm gonna show you the problem I'm having. Let me crank it up. I'm gonna put it in reverse. Getting this screen here, you might be getting a different screen, but you're not getting a clear picture. And the problem is the format. It all depends on what kind of camera you got. It's going to depend on what format you put it on your Android unit. So let's put it back in park. Let's go to settings here. Then we're going to go to factory settings. We're going to put your code in, match 8888. Then we're going to go to protocol perimeter settings up here. Then reverse camera format. See, mine's in TVI/25. It's all different formats here that you can pick, choose from. You just got to go down the line, whatever camera you got, and pick that format. See, if I pick this TVI 30, let's see what it's gonna do. Put it back in reverse. Still messed up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick the first one, because I know it's not no high definition camera that they sent me. So I'm gonna pick this NTSC/PAL. Then we put it back in reverse and see what we got. Now we got a clear picture. Go back in reverse. I think that's gonna do it there. Quick fix. Now if you got a better camera, you can go on down here and pick this 1080p. I know mine ain't no 1080p, so but we're gonna put it in reverse and see what it do. So you gotta pick the right format. It's real simple. Then we're gonna go back up out of it because that's our format. Go back to the home, put in reverse. Good to go. Quick fix. Hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know if it helped you out or not.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up. We never stopped. Right from